Hey YouTubers! I'm Katie from Pot-Pourri. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos using Movavi Video Editor. Movavi Video Editor is a simple, yet powerful video editor with basic video editing functions. You can download the software from below link description. After download, disable your antivirus and follow up with the installation process. Place the crack file in the installation directory. Let's learn the basics, how to edit a video step by step using Movavi Video Editor. In this tutorial, we are going to grab a song and make that exclusive. First open the application, and choose Create a Project in Full Feature Mode option at the startup. You can add media files from the File menu or Import menu options and add them from your file location. After adding your media to the timeline, in here you can see that I'm using the scissor tool to separate the song by cutting the video. After, remove the unnecessary parts by deleting them. Select the specific one and click the dustbin icon. You can expand your file and zoom it to the seconds by using scale option at the bottom left. Here you can see that there are a few other adjustments, which we have and can do with the video, audio clip properties. You can access that by clicking the gear icon. You can import sounds, musics, backgrounds and sample videos, which inbuilt with this software to take effect in your creation, instead of your own media as well. You can follow up my steps and learn the 3 basic settings, which are filter, transition and title option menus in this tutorial and how to get use with them. Here you can use various filter types which came with Movavi Editor for your videos. And here, also you can use transitions at the end of your video. Double-click on the title, which you have selected at the preview window, and make the changes there. You can change the color, font type, and even save custom titles as well.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one.
Just try out every other option, to take effect as you like, until you get the right desired output.
There will always be a place for you by my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see. There's more to our story. Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see. There's more to our story. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging on. Baby, open up to me. Don't give up so easily. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging on.
As the last step, after you have made your clip, you can choose Save Movie as a Media in File menu or simply click Export option to produce your finale design. Choose MP4 with H.264 codec for a better quality. Give your exporting design video and audio settings, a file name for your production and click Start to finish. And here is your design. If you have any matter regarding this tutorial, please don't hesitate to mention them in the comments section. Thanks for watching.